Hello students, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Bring Out English. I shall be discussing model set number 1 of class 9th English paper. The questions are based on comprehension passages, writing, grammar and textbooks, Beehive and Moments. Your question paper starts with reading passages. I suggest you to read the whole passage carefully before attempting the questions based on it. So let me first read the passage for you. In 1992, a brave 12-year-old girl from Vancouver stood up in front of the UN delegates at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro and read a heartfelt speech about the demise of humanity and the environment and what needs to be done to make things better. Since then, she is known as the girl who silenced the world for 6 minutes. Her speech is famous worldwide and millions of people have listened to it silently, without blinking. Suzuki was 9 years old when she started an environmental children's organization with a small group of other children, and they raised the money to attend the UN Earth Summit. Now come to the answers. Question number 1. Who delivered the heartfelt speech at the World Earth Summit in 1992? The answer is C. Suzuki. You can see the answer in the beginning of the second paragraph. Question number 2. Where was the World Earth Summit held in 1992? The answer is D. Rio de Janeiro. The answer is given in the second line of the first paragraph. Question number 3. What was the theme of a speech given by Suzuki? The answer is A. Demise of humanity and the environment. The answer is given in the second line of the first paragraph. Question number 4. What made Suzuki worldwide famous? The answer is B. Her 6-minute inspiring speech. The answer is given in the second last line of the first paragraph. Question number 5. What does the word delegates mean? Delegate means representatives. So the answer will be A. Representative. Now let us read second passage. Students in the 6th grade of a certain school in Navi Mumbai love their history lesson thanks to a novel teaching aid. It is not surprising given the fact that their study material includes comic books and they use their textbooks for reference to put things into perspective. Besides, students are encouraged to tap other sources of information as well. During history classes, students pore over comic strips of historical periods, enact character of emperors and tyrants, and have animated discussions on the subject. According to the school principal, the comic strip format and visuals appeal to the students. A historian feels that using comics in schools is a great idea. Comics and acting help students understand what characters in the story are actually thinking. Now the questions and answers. Question number 6. What makes the students of Navi Mumbai love their history lesson? The answer is A. Novel teaching aid. You can find the answer in the beginning of the second line of the first paragraph. Question number 7. What is not a reason for history being interesting? The answer is B. They never use their textbooks for teaching. You can get the answer in the third line of the first paragraph. Question number 8. Why does historian feel that using comics in school is a great idea? The answer is A. It helps students understand what characters in the story are actually thinking. The answer is at the end of the second paragraph. Question number 9. Choose the most suitable title of the above passage. The answer is B. History becomes fun at this school. Question number 10. What is the opposite of tyrant in the given passage? The answer will be moderator. That is D. Now see, this is a small passage with missing words. You have to use the missing words to make this passage meaningful. Try to fill in the blanks while reading the passage. Let us first see the answer. Question number 11, the answer will be known. Question number 12, the answer will be A. Established. Question number 13, the answer will be D, have been built. Question number 14, the answer will be B, nearest. Now using these answers, let us read the passage. Jharkhand Silk Textile and Handicraft Development Corporation, also known as Jharcraft, is an agency of Government of Jharkhand established in 2006 with the objective to develop and support sericulture farmers, weavers and artisans of Jharkhand. Work sets have been built within the Jharcraft villages with all necessary facilities for the artisans and weavers to work at the nearest place from their homes. Now come to the next task. We have to complete this informal letter. So let us first see the answers. Question number 15, the answer will be B, glad. Question number 16, the answer will be C, have. Question number 17, the answer will be A, accept. Question number 18, the answer will be D, make. Now let me read this letter with answers. Model Town Ranchi, October 22, 2021. Dear brother, I am extremely glad to learn that you have secured first position in class 10 examination. Please accept my heartiest congratulations on your success. I am sure you will keep working hard and will make us feel proud in class 12 as well. With warm regards, your truly, Anjali. Now come to questions based on grammar. Question number 19. My parents blank abroad every year. The answer will be A, visit. When we describe any routine work, we use sentence in simple present, and here parents word is plural, so the answer will be visit. Question number 20. She blank for me at the station since 2 o'clock. The answer will be C, has been waiting. When time is mentioned to describe any ongoing action in present tense, we use present perfect continuous tense. Hence the answer is has been waiting. Question number 21. My brother blank speak English fluently. The answer will be D, can. When we describe someone's skill, we use modal can. Here skill of speaking English fluently has been discussed, so the answer will be can. Question number 22. She blank drive a car at the age of 12. The answer will be B, could. When we describe someone's skill in his past, we use could. Question number 23. Blank, God bless you with good health and happiness. The answer will be C, may. When we bless someone, we use modal may in such sentences. So the answer is may God bless you with good health and happiness. Now literature section. Next 8 questions are based on extract from your textbooks. Let us read the first extract. But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. He went to high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old, and scored good marks in almost every subject. Einstein hated the school's regimentation and often clashed with his teachers. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled there that he left the school for good. Now see the questions. Question number 24. On the basis of the above passage, Albert Einstein was... The answer will be A, average student. Question number 25. Where did Einstein pass the high school exam? The answer will be C, at Munich. Question number 26. Einstein hated school regimentation. What does this statement speak about him? The answer will be D. He didn't like the rules and regulations of the school. Question number 27. What does the word clashed mean here? Here clashed means argued. So answer will be C. See the next extract, which is from the poem Wind. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let us build strong homes. Let's joint the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friends with us. Question number 28. Name the poet who has composed this poem. So the name of the poet is Subramanya Bharati. The answer will be B. Question number 29. He won't do what you tell him. Who is he in this line? The answer is C. The wind. Question number 30. Why do we need to make one's homes and doors strong and firm? The answer will be A. The wind destroys weak homes and doors. Question number 31. How can we befriend with the wind? The answer will be A. By making one's homes, doors, body, heart strong. Question number 32. How did Margie and Tommy used to study? The answer is B. With computer at home. Question number 33. Who was Bismillah Khan? The answer is A. A great Shahnai player. Question number 34. Why was the little girl afraid? The answer is A. Her father was harsh and rude to her. Question number 35. Which statement is not true about Albert Einstein? The answer is D. He was married only once. Question number 36. What was the last wish of the lost child? The answer is B. To meet with his parents. Question number 37. Why did the child not ask his father to buy the things he liked in the fair? The answer is B. The child knew his father would make many excuses. Question number 38. What was not the quality of Toto? The answer is D. Toto was a kind monkey. Question number 39. From where did the narrator find the monkey? The answer is A. Tanga driver. And now the last question, number 40. What made the grandfather return Toto to the Tanga driver? The answer is B. When he broke down the plates and scattered the dishes. I hope this video will prove useful to you. Thank you.